Welcome to the Walthers New Product Express for September 2025. We've got freight haulers, passenger cars, trackside structures, and more this month. So without any further delay, let's head on down the main line and see the latest and greatest that this month has to offer. First up this month, WalthersProto Superliner 1 passenger cars are back by popular demand. Following up on the Superliner 1 coaches released last year, this new announcement includes Superliner 1 sleepers, diners, and lounges. Accurately detailed and decorated in Amtrak Phase 3 and Phase 6 paint schemes, these super detailed modern passenger cars make it easy for HO modelers to recreate many favorite Amtrak intercity trains. The HO Superliner 1 cars are based on prototypes introduced in the late 1970s, inspired by the high-level cars of the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railway. Even though Amtrak added Superliner 2 cars in the 1990s, many of the original Superliner 1 cars remain in service today. They are essential cars for those modeling the North American mainline during the last 45 years. All the HO Superliner 1 cars feature a real metal simulated stainless steel finish with accurate factory printed numbers and paint schemes officially matched to Amtrak standards. All cars also include factory installed LED overhead interior lighting. Other details include factory installed grab irons, working diaphragms, as well as correctly sized 36 scale inch diameter metal wheels and metal Protomax knuckle couplers for reliable operation. This latest run includes Superliner 1 sleepers, diners, and lounges decorated in Phase 3 and Phase 6 paint schemes. The sleepers are available in 3 factory printed road numbers each, while the diners and lounges are available in 2 factory printed road numbers each. If you're looking to add some modern freight to your layout, be sure to check out this new covered hopper and the industry it serves. WalthersMainline makes it easy to add more modern-era business to your HO scale railroad with the 39-foot Trinity 3281 2-bay covered hoppers. Built especially to handle heavier materials, these hoppers are often seen in unit trains moving loads of fracturing sand to new oil fields. Based on the later production prototypes introduced in the 1990s with 7 side panels, 2 narrow and 5 large, they can also be found moving cement, bentonite, and other heavy cargoes. Ready for service in a variety of modern schemes, each with 4 numbers, they're perfect for serving the Cornerstone Glacier industrial sands or the road-to-rail aggregate transfer, both sold separately. Accurately detailed after their modern prototypes, these new HO hoppers feature separately applied brake gear, running boards, discharge gates, inlet hatches, and end ladder cages. They also ride on accurately detailed trucks with scale 36-inch diameter metal wheels and Protomax metal knuckle couplers. This latest run of Trinity 3281 hoppers is available in 4 numbers each of the following road names: Arkansas, Oklahoma, CIT Group, Cementos Mexicanos, Keg River, Norfolk Southern, Omaha, Lincoln and Beatrice, Union Pacific, and Winchester and Western. If you're looking for a trackside industry for your Trinity 3281s to serve, check out this kit from Walthers Cornerstone. Spot your new WalthersMainline Trinity 3281 hoppers at this contemporary trackside industry, the Walthers HO Scale Cornerstone Glacier Industrial Sands Kit. While sand has been used for centuries to make building materials, glass, and metal castings, you'll also find it in paint, fertilizer, and plastics. Recently, fracturing sand, or frac sand, has become a hot commodity, used to break rock and improve the flow at new oil and gas fields. But you can't use just any kind of sand for any kind of product, which means it's got to be hauled long distances from producer to end user. A big job tailor-made for today's railroads and Trinity 3281 covered hoppers. If you're more into classic freight cars, don't miss this next offering from WalthersMainline. Featuring all new road names and numbers, the WalthersMainline HO Scale AAR 70-ton 3-bay open hopper stands ready to haul black diamonds across your layout. The accurate HO Scale model is based on a 70-ton capacity car that was widely used to haul coal, but was also used to carry aggregate, minerals, and ballast. Featuring all new names and numbers, each model has 9 side panels and road name appropriate flat or arched ends. The car is ready to run on your HO railroad with a die-cast metal chassis, correct 33-inch RP25 contour turn metal wheels, and Protomax metal knuckle couplers. For those that wish to add coal loads to their hoppers, be sure to check out Chooch flexible coal loads. These loads are available in 3 different textures and can be easily trimmed and mounted on sheet styrene to create custom loads for all your favorite Walthers open freight cars. This latest run of 70-ton hoppers is available in 4 road numbers each of the following road names: Alaska Railroad, Chesapeake and Ohio, Chicago, Burlington and Quincy, Denver and Rio Grande Western, Norfolk and Western, Southern Railway, and Western Maryland. An undecorated version is also available. Also coming this winter is the perfect trackside industry for your vintage hopper fleet. The Walthers Cornerstone HO Scale Vintage Coal Dealer is the perfect complement to the new WalthersMainline 70-ton 3-bay AAR open hoppers. Shoehorned alongside main lines and sidings in big cities and small towns, trackside dealers sold coal and fuel oil for home heating and were common sights along North American railroads. The Cornerstone HO kit includes buildings that can be easily arranged to fit in odd-shaped spaces. The structures are typical of facilities found throughout the country from the 1920s to the 1960s. Now I'll turn things over to Anthony, and he's going to tell you even more about some new announcements from Cornerstone and Walthers SceneMaster.
Thanks, Dana. Here's what's new from Cornerstone and SceneMaster to make your layout stand out. Bring an authentic modern railroad facility to your layout with the Cornerstone Railroad Paint Shop. This HO scale kit is based on the kind of contemporary industrial buildings used since the 1970s by railroads, short lines, and contract repair companies. As railroad mergers accelerated in the 1980s and 90s, facilities like this one became even more important. With entire fleets needing quick patches or full repaints into new schemes, many railroads turned to independent contract paint shops housed in modern buildings just like this one. This kit features tall roll-up service doors, detailed rooftop HVAC units, vents, and ductwork, plus an exterior dust collection system with realistic piping. It's the perfect centerpiece for an engine terminal or railcar service area, bringing both historical relevance and operational interest to your layout. Next up, let's not forget that small touches make a big difference. Small details tell big stories. SceneMaster's Windsock kit captures a piece of real-world operations, showing how railroads and factories monitor wind for safe handling of chemicals and dust. Since the mid-1900s, windsocks have been a simple yet essential part of industrial safety. The kit includes 6 poles topped with paper windsocks you can use right out of the package or easily weather for a more realistic look. Place them near industrial complexes, short line stops, or even a small town airfield for detail that's both functional and eye-catching. Thanks for joining us today on the Walthers New Product Express. All the items shown are now available for pre-order through your local hobby shop or online at walthers.com. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details, and be sure to hop on board again next month for some exciting new announcements.